Welcome back to Sailing UV, the greatest sailing show on earth. This is UV, our 1996 Henry Morgan 57 project boat. And by that, it means she's 57 feet. Fancy title, I know. If DIY boat work and boat work in general and sailing is your thing, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and stick around to see what we get into.
That's not getting out of bed. She's sleepy. Just wait. You're such an asshole. Good morning. Oh, Nemo.
So do I have to make a date?
Come on, baby. Let's wait till the goose. You're such a good girl. Wait. Go ahead. Come here, V. Give me the collar. You don't want to keep that on. Your training, non-training collar that you don't learn anything from. Be a good girl. This dumbass shit. Going to prison. Do you guys remember this boat? We did the repower on it. Little bits of that here and there in the shorts. Oh, I'm wet. Just like that. Son of a bitch. Alright. Son of a bitch. No more of that. No more of that shit. Oh, wet. Much better. Well, that crap was. You can't see this. Ooh, what a mess we got here. Good Lord. We're doing all new, recovering the seats. It's all new upholstery. I mean, probably kind of match this, which these are the best seats. These things are freaking amazing. This is like, I don't even know what. This leather is so soft. They're so comfy and squishy. Got some bounce to them. Super adjustable. Look at the, it's like hardcore and stylish at the same time. Pretty sweet. Well, we did all these electronics here at H&M. All this mess, which is, you know, not a mess, but you know what I mean. It's just a lot of wiring. H&M, I believe, just did a video on this repower, so you can check that out on their site, H&M Marine and Sausalito, or Instagram and all that. I got to get some measurements here. We're gonna turn this, which used to be a settee, we're gonna turn that into a desk, basically a workbench. Putting butcher block on it, so let's get some measurements and get going on that once we clean this mess up.
Here's a little sneak peek at how the Osprey is going with its new outboard bracket and outboard. And I think right around the corner here is our butcher block table cut, but not finished and installed, obviously. A couple of the guys been working hard at installing this rub rail here. It's coming out really nice. And then I think we've got our table all set up in here and mounted. A few more coats of sealant and it'll be done. We also installed this piece over the refrigerator here as a food prep surface. I've got to get this ceiling panel and these couple of speakers mounted up, and this part of the job will be done. Well, I think that's where we're going to wrap up this week's video. We've got a lot more big projects in the air, and I'm consolidating them into their own videos, so I don't want to spill too much of the beans all over the place here. So make sure you are subscribed and you have the notifications on from when we post new videos so you don't miss them. Some pretty cool projects coming up. Thanks so much for being here and watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and like and comment and share and all that good stuff. And if you're really enjoying the content, you can always join our crew over on patreon.com. It's just patreon.com/sailinguv, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. And also probably Amazon affiliate links to any tools we used or anything that might be interesting, like the sealant product we used on those tables, which is food grade and long lasting and a pretty cool one that one of the owners discovered. So I'll leave a link for that in the little description. And again, thank you so much for being here. You people are amazing. The amount of support and it's just all amazing. You guys are amazing. I can't even believe it. I guess on that note, I should probably wrap it up. I'm gonna get my tools put away here, and yeah, we will see you next week. Have a good one.